Hello, Mzansi. It's a gossip girl. The past week, Taki, Sinaye, and Els went to Gold Reef City. Well, I thought that they were just hanging out and, of course, content. Kanti, Taki, and Els, they are busy. Like, when I mean they are busy, they are busy. And I'm not making things up, ne? So, Sinaye and Taki went live, and Sinaye hinted that Taki and Els, they have something going on of a ship. I don't know what kind of a ship it is, but there's a ship going on there. So take a look at this and let me know what you think in the comment section. Till I see you again, Mzansi, please do not forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any videos, you guys do not miss anything. Bye-bye, Mzansi.
Oh, Taki was cooking for real? Yes, for real.
No, he was cooking for real, not just cooking
But,
with a stove. Go with the Taki Eastern Cape. Oh, he's coming! And he's coming. Very exciting. We will be papazing, baby. We will be papazing.
We're ready.
We are ready.
Ready.
Yeah, man. So all you Xhosa women, stay away or else.